Modern software teams face a lot of challenges when deploying code. Sometimes just knowing which environment something's deployed in can be hard to figure out. But we also have to consider keeping Jira updated and making sure we can juggle all of our different environments and instances. Here, I'm going to show you a tool called Golive that helps solve these challenges and many others. We're going to see how it makes testers, developers, and release managers' lives easier by automating a lot of the process for them. Let's jump in and see what it looks like. First, let's see how Golive helps testers. For this particular ticket, I need to know where it's been deployed to test the fix. Golive shows me this information right here and tells me which environment it's been deployed in with the cloud icon. I can mouse over this and get even more information about the deployment if I need it. For example, I can see which issues were involved with it, but also when it was deployed and by who. This makes it very easy for me as a tester to quickly go in and test out this fix because I can see exactly where it is. I can even mouse over it and open up the environment directly from here, making it very easy as a tester to go test out the fix. Golive also helps automate portions of bug reporting. Here, I'll enter a new bug ticket with some basic information. I'll indicate which environment I found the bug in and any other information I have, and then create my ticket. Here's my brand new bug, and I can see detected in was populated, but Golive also figured out which version is impacted by this bug and automatically filled that in for me. I, as a tester, didn't have to do anything about that. Golive was smart enough to insert this important information on its own. Golive also helps out software developers. Here, I'll write some code in GitHub to fix the bug that I just found. I'll go in and edit, and in this example, I'm going to add a new version, but I would make any other changes to code I needed to. When I'm ready, I'll commit my changes. And the only thing I'll need to do to tie this back into Golive is include the ticket number in the commit message. Next, I'll just commit changes. We'll see my code has been updated to version 13.7. And now if I go back into Jira and look in my releases, I'll see that brand new version has been created. Even better, when I open it up, I'll see that that bug was automatically included in the version. I did not have to take any additional action to do this. This helps free up engineers to go focus on writing code and not updating Jira tickets. Now Golive goes one step further. It's also included this brand new version in my environment management project. This helps ensure that every version I have is collected in one spot, so my release managers can quickly see what needs to be deployed or what else is available. Golive also supports release managers by giving them this great timeline that visually shows every environment I have and any planned event within it. Here I can see my integration 2 environment has a code freeze, and someone has attempted to do a deployment on top of the code freeze. Golive automatically rejected this because the environment is locked up. I can click into this rejection and see exactly why. Clicking on the scheduling tab under activity gives me more information about why this was rejected. In this case, it conflicts with this code freeze, and I can also see this as a linked issue. So this is giving me great information about why this deployment didn't work. Now, to fix this and actually deploy my code, all I have to do is click and drag a new deployment onto an open environment, in this case my e-commerce dev. I'll quickly fill in some information about it, and then I'll create this ticket. This adds the deployment in, and Golive will check to make sure that it is okay to deploy. And once it does, it will change the status to approved. I didn't have to take any action other than schedule it on an open environment. Golive did the rest. Now, Golive goes beyond just showing me when things will be scheduled. It will actually build the code for me. I can see more information by going over to my environment dashboard or the environment matrix, where I can quickly see all of my environments and the current release on each of them. Here, I can see my development environment is currently in the deploy status, so Golive is working on deploying the code. And once that deployment is complete, I can see that the new release number has been updated to indicate this version of code is running on my e-commerce development environment. This makes it incredibly easy and straightforward to schedule deployments and then also automatically build them against my environments. And I can quickly see if there's any trouble by digging into the red or yellow icon. Managing software deployments can be easy when you have the right tools. Golive helps with a lot of this administrative overhead by automating tasks like deployments and builds, by giving your testers information right at their fingertips, and helping speed up code by getting developers into building code and out of Jira. Golive is available in Jira Cloud and in Data Center, and it's free for the first 30 days for teams of any size, and free forever for teams with 10 or less folks on it. So check out the link below for some more information. Personally, I think it's a great tool to help speed up software teams and help get them back to building good tools and out of fighting with systems. I really hope you enjoyed learning about it, and I really hope to see you here again soon.